So this is one more question asked from merger concept, multiple concept. All the entries are either complex numbers or real numbers. Question is asking if this Z was supposed to be an order of this particular determinant, then the answer for Z, is it purely real, purely imaginary, what is it is asked. And also it's told in the problem I is equal to root of -1, that we already know. I square is equal to -1, I cube is equal to I to the power 4 is equal to 1. This is what we need to know. If we know this now, we will expand this along the row number 1. So I can write 1 into minus 21, 1 into minus 21, minus of 5 minus 3i into 5 plus 3i, into 5 plus 3i, is it not? Minus of 1 plus 2i, minus of 1 plus 2i, leave the row and column, 7 into 1 minus 2i, 7 into 1 minus 2i, minus 5i into 5 plus 3i, into 5 plus 3i, then minus 5i into, leave the row and column here. So what do you get? 1 minus 2i into 5 minus 3i, minus into minus will be 3, minus into minus will be plus 3 into 5i. Okay, this is all about simple expansion now and knowing things. Z is equal to minus 21 minus of a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square, 25 minus 9i square, 25 minus 9i square, minus of 1 plus 2i, 7 minus 2i, 7 minus 14i, minus 25i, minus 15i square, minus 5i into 5 minus 3i minus 10i plus 6i square plus 15i, plus 15i. So Z is equal to minus 21 minus 25, I square is minus 1, so minus 9, is that right? Minus 9. Then minus of 1 plus 2i, 7 minus 39i plus 15 minus 5i into minus 13 plus 15 will be 2i, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So what is this answer that we get? Z is equal to minus 4 minus 9 will be minus 13, minus of 1 plus 2i multiplied by 15 plus 7, 22 minus 39i minus 10i square, which is nothing but plus 10, and minus 5i. So Z is equal to minus 13 minus of 1 into 22 will be 22 minus 39i plus 44i plus 44i minus of 39 into 2 will be equal to 78i square plus 10 minus 5i. So Z will be equal to minus 13 minus 22 plus 39i minus 44i plus I square is minus 1. So this value will be equal to minus 78 plus 10 minus 5i. Minus 5i plus 39i minus 44i will get cancelled. Is that right? So answer will be Z is equal to minus 13 minus 22 minus 78 plus 10. I am not bothered of the final answer, but this will have no complex value, right? So Z is what? Z is purely real. This is the answer to the question. Because there is no imaginary part here. Whatever the answer is, answer will be a purely real number.